Everyone thinks the best-selling travel backpack or rolling suitcase is automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Rockland Rolling Backpack. First up is the Rockland Double-Handle 17-inch rolling backpack. Priced at just $33.49, this caught my attention because of its dual functionality. If you want something budget-friendly that combines a backpack's convenience with a suitcase's portability, this is worth a serious look. This backpack features a telescopic handle and 4 inline skate wheels, which means you can easily roll it around without worrying about dragging it behind. With a capacity of 142 liters, it's spacious enough for everything you need for a weekend getaway or even a longer trip. The padded shoulder straps add comfort when you do need to carry it, and the front pocket keeps your essentials organized and accessible. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The water-resistant material ensures your belongings stay dry, and the dual wheels provide smooth mobility over different surfaces. Now, some people complained that it feels bulky when fully packed. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a lightweight option, this might not be the best fit. But for someone needing a lot of space and functionality, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a budget traveler who needs versatility. Skip this one if you prefer a sleek design or minimal weight. Now, if that bulkiness bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, Arco Yard Rolling Backpack. Coming in hot is the Arco Yard Rolling Backpack, priced at $68.99. What sets this apart is its upgraded vertical and horizontal storage options, making it adaptable for various scenarios. If you want a bag that's versatile for both work and travel, this one deserves your attention. With 3 compartments and 18 pockets, including a padded laptop compartment for up to 15.6 inches, organization is a breeze. The lockable zippers keep your items secure while you're navigating through busy places. It's also designed to handle any situation with wider, silent wheels, allowing for smooth rolling. The dimensions of 13.4 by 8 by 18 inches make it perfect for overhead bins or underseats. Here's why this is important for you. The 180-degree opening makes packing and unpacking easy, saving you time and hassle at the airport. Now, some reviews pointed out that the materials could feel a bit flimsy, but let's be real. For a backpack that offers so much utility, it's not a deal breaker if you handle it with care. This is perfect for you if you value organization and functionality in your travels. Skip this if you're looking for a heavy-duty option. Now, if you're needing something with a bit more tech-savvy features, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 2, our Rotier Rolling Puffer Backpack, retailing for $79.99. What grabbed my attention here was the dual opening design that allows you to quickly access your items without unpacking everything. If you want to combine style with functionality, this could be a great option. This backpack is designed for practical organization, featuring a padded laptop sleeve that fits up to 16 inches and multiple pockets for all your essentials. The lockable zippers ensure your items are secure while you're on the go. With dimensions of 13.4 by 18 by 8 inches and a weight of 5 pounds, it's also TSA friendly, which means hassle-free airport security checks. Here's why this matters for you. You can switch between rolling and carrying it on your back, giving you flexibility whether you're navigating crowded airport terminals or city streets. However, some users mentioned that the wheels could be a bit noisy. But honestly, if you're looking for an attractive, functional backpack that stands out, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you prioritize style and organization. Skip this one if you need something super quiet on the go. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more space. Product number 4, Pawn Hog Rolling Backpack. Next up is the Pawn Hog Rolling Backpack, retailing at $66.99. The standout feature here is the built-in USB charging port, which is a lifesaver for anyone who travels with devices. If you want modern convenience while on the go, this is definitely worth a look. This backpack boasts a 30-liter capacity and a padded sleeve for laptops up to 15.6 inches. The quiet roller wheels are designed to provide a smooth ride, and the protective materials ensure your belongings stay safe and secure. The dimensions of 12.59 by 6.1 by 17.9 inches mean it fits comfortably under seats or in overhead bins. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The charging port means you can keep your devices powered without needing to dig through your bag to find your power bank. Some users have mentioned that the handle is shorter than expected. However, if you're using it primarily for quick trips or as a personal item, it shouldn't impact your experience significantly. This is perfect for you if you rely on your devices while traveling. Skip this if you need a taller handle for more comfortable rolling. Now, if you're after something more stylish for business trips, the last product is a great option.
Product number 5, Tony Rolling Backpack. Finally, we have the Tony Rolling Backpack, priced at $61.74. What really stands out is its 2-in-1 capability that allows you to convert it between a suitcase and a backpack. If you want versatility for both travel and everyday use, this one is a compelling choice. This bag is TSA friendly, featuring a large opening design that allows for quick packing and security checks. The stylish design, combined with multiple compartments, makes it functional for any scenario. It fits a 15.6-inch laptop comfortably and has enough space for a 1 to 3 day trip. With all these features, you can keep your items organized while looking good doing it. Here's why this matters for you. The ability to switch modes means you can tailor it to your travel needs, whether you're boarding a flight or hiking through an airport. However, some users found the fabric less durable than expected. But honestly, if you're careful with it, this shouldn't be a major concern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, multifunctional travel companion. Skip this if you tend to be rough on your luggage.
So, there you have it. From the budget-friendly Rockland to the stylish Tony. Each option offers something unique depending on your travel needs. Whether you're looking for functionality, style, or a mix of both, there's a great travel solution for you in this list. Make your choice wisely and happy travels.